Hello, y'all. The vocal doctor here. The vocal doctor. Just showing you something. No matter how gifted you are as a singer, you still need a trainer. I want you to just think about this. Michael Jordan had a coach. So did Kobe Bryant. Beyonce has a coach. And all of the greats have a coach. If you are a gifted singer, you still need a coach. What does a coach do? Help pull out the very best in you. We think we know everything. We don't. I still need a coach. Please understand that. If I was singing every single day for my living, the coach is going to help to bring out all of the best things in your voice, let you know your range, what you can sing in, help you understand the keys you can sing in better. When you are hoarse and don't have your full voice, how you can still perform the song. There's so much that a coach can help you do. So if you're a gifted singer and you don't have one, get one today. I am Stephanie Derrick, the vocal doctor. I'm here for you. Peace.